Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is RJ. So today we're doing a super quick update on Contract Miner. As you know, the other day I did a video on the Contract Miner and the new winter event. Unfortunately, I missed out some very vital information about the event and about the site to do with withdrawals. So we're going to do that right now. So let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see, we are here on the site. If we quickly drop into the event, so you'll see that basically since the last time we did the video, I have claimed the first miner, which is obviously a miner for free players as well. And I'm now moving on to the 50 power units. But one of the things that I didn't do is simply go through all of the rewards that are available to you. So we're going to quickly do that, and then we're going to go and look at the new information for the withdrawals. Sorry, my brain is just a little bit fried today. Okay, so we did look at this first page. Obviously you've got basically the icon to show that you took part in the event. You've got 15,000 reward points. You've got a 50% mining EXP booster, which I actually have activated right now. You got some free white paint so you can decorate your mining room. Then we've got a Byte Beast free miner, a miner for free, and obviously paid members as well. Then we've got 50 power units. We've got 8,000 timed mega hash, which is going to last you one whole week. We got then another profile, which is the icon Snow Globe. So simply to say that you've progressed that bit further through the event. Another 15,000 reward points and a two miner rack, themed rack for the event. And that is also for the free players as well as the paid players. Okay, so page 2, we've got some, excuse me, if you hit 3,300 points, you're going to get some orange paint. Then you get 20,000 reward points on the next level. If you're a premium member, premium members also receive 150 power units. And then basically you get some more white paint for the free players. Then premium get 15,000 reward points, 9,000 timed mega hash for 7 days. So obviously, you know, depending on what time you get here, I would probably maybe let the first one run out, then bang that one on straight after. So that's going to be 14 days of a real good boost to your account, and that is for free players as well. 2,000 reward points for premium players, 25,000 reward points for premium players. Free players then get a 25% mining EXP booster for 6 hours. Then we go on to the winter post. And now obviously I did talk about this in the first video, and what I like is this gives you a permanent 5% reward on your coin flip. So obviously those reward RP games, which are just up here, when you play the coin flip game, you will be getting a 5% boost on any rewards you get from that. Okay, so page 3. Free players to start off with, 25,000 reward points. Obviously you need 6,300 points to get to this level. For premium players, you've got then 100 power units, 30,000 reward points. Then you've got some more white paint. I'm not sure how much white paint you need to, but I guess, you know, you want to put a good amount of coats on. You don't want it to wear out too quick, do you? Then you've got 100% mining EXP booster. Not sure, that doesn't have a time on it, so I'm not sure how long that's going to last for. I don't know if it could even be a permanent boost. I don't know. Then you got for free players and obviously paid players, 6,000 time mega hash, another 7 days there. Premium, 25,000 reward points. Oh, premium again, 10,000 time mega hash for 7 days. 30 free players, 30,000 reward points. And then for the premium players, we get the Quantum Forge overclocked version at 14,000 mega hash, and you need 9,000 points to get that and be a premium member. Now obviously, just looking at the reward points that the free players have received, you're going to be able to pick yourself up even either a good bunch of power units to keep your miners rolling over, or you can also pick up some of those extra timed mega hash in the RP shop as well, which is something I talk about in the first video. So now we got free members 25,000 reward points, so more reward points. Premium members get 40,000 reward points. You get the premium members get the 7,000 timed mega hashes. Winter poster, now this is only for premium, and you're going to get a 0.5% unit efficiency for the selected property. So basically whatever property your miners are sat in, that is going to give you a 0.5% boost. Power unit efficiency, obviously I'm assuming if you move to a different property, that moves with you. Premium then get 150 power units, and then you got free get 50% mining EXP booster. Again, there is no time limit on that, so I'm not sure how long that's going to last, and that would require you to get to the 10,800 points there. Free members are going to get 50 power units at this point, 45,000 reward points for premium members. Free players now get 3 red paint cans. So guys, you can go to town on your mining room, make it look absolutely fantastic. And then we've got for premium members a 4 miner rack, rare version, obviously themed for the winter event as well. Then we've got the free 30,000 reward points for free players, 175 power units for premium players, a premium players 50% extra mining boost for 7 days. So this has got a time limit on it. So those two for the premium and the one for the free that have no time limit on it, that is a bit of a mystery. I'm not sure if that was just it's accidentally been missed off, or it's going to be a permanent boost. I have no idea. But anyway, so free players 40,000 reward points. Premium is 50,000 reward points, 125 power units for premium players, and then you got 21,000 timed mega hash for 7 days if you hit 14,100 points, or basically get to this level. And 50,000 premium is reward points for premium. Then you got 50% mining EXP booster. Again, no times on that, no time limit on that. It's don't know. 50,000 time mega hash for 7 days there. And so this is going to be level 51 now. So we're basically halfway at this point. You'd be about halfway, pretty much halfway through the event. So you got 25,000 reward points for the free players, 150 power units for premium players, 50% mining EXP booster. Again, no time limit on that. Free players get 25,000 reward points, 40,000 reward points for premium players, and 15,000 time mega hash 7 days for premium players. Free players get 100 power units. Premium players get 50,000 reward points. I'm getting all a bit tongue tied here. Premium get 50,000. 50% mining EXP booster for 7 days, and then the premium get the Bite Beast 5,040 mega hash booster. So basically similar to the one earlier, which the free players got, which obviously the free and the premium could get. This is now just for the premium. So we get for free players 65,000 reward points, 35,000 reward points premium, 11,000 timed mega hash for 7 days premium. Premium get green paint. Premium get 75 mining EXP booster. Again, no time. 50% for free players reward points. 50,000 reward points. Sorry, not 50%. 150 power units for premium. 70,000 reward points for premium. Free players are going to get 6,000 timed mega hashes at 7 days, and then premium get the Terra Titan not the overclock version, but the standard Terra Titan, but actually legendary Terra Titan at 19,600 mega hashes, and that would be at level 70. So level 71, free players get 100 power units, premium get 50,000 reward points. Excuse me. Premium members get 75% mining EXP booster. Premium get more green paint. Premium get 65,000 reward points. Free players get 125 power units at that point. So that would be, if you've hit 22,800 points, that is going to give you 125 power units to free players. And then you've got premium are going to get the 6 miner rack theme. So this is quite big for anyone that's a premium member, because normal, the biggest normal racks normally get to is 4. This is now going to give you 6. That's 2 extra miners you can fit in your room. Then you got premium at 13,000 time mega hashes for 7 days. Free players then get 50,000 reward points, and then you've got a free at basically 24,000 points or level 80. Free players are going to get the free players and the premium players are going to get the Quantum Forge overclocked at 14,000 mega hashes. So even as a free player, you are getting some really good rewards with some good miners, good reward points, and some good power unit boosts, as well as the free paint. Don't forget the free paint. Okay, so free players, we're at level 81 now. 70,000 reward points, 150 power units for premium members. Also 17,000 time mega hashes for 7 days for premium. Free members will get 55,000 reward points. Obviously, anytime I say a free, it's free. Premium players will also get that as well. So premium, if it just says premium, then only premium get that. 70,000 reward points, 200 power units. Free players, 50% mining EXP booster, no time limit. 80,000 reward points premium. 19,000 time mega hashes, 7 days premium. Premium get another Bite Beast. So by this time we've got 3 of them if you're a premium member. And then level 91. So this is the final page. You get in free members, 150 power units, premium 100,000 reward points. Premium get 11,500 time mega hash for 7 days. Premium 3 times green paint cans. Premium is 50% mining boost for 7 days. So EXP booster, not mining booster, but a mining EXP booster for 7 days. Free get 225 power units. Premium get another 100,000 reward points. Premium get the Neo Circuit overclock at 26,500 mega hashes miner, legendary version. And then free players, 25,000 time mega hashes for 7 days. And then premium, this is, for me, this is one of the big things, gives the property blueprint, which allows 1 max extra rack into your room. So obviously, if as I said in the previous video, if you're like me, you're absolutely maxed out. So you get the you're going to get the 6 rack, which is going to give you 2 extra boosts, 2 extra space for 2 extra miners. Then you're going to get the property blueprint, which then gives you space for a whole extra rack. So obviously, I would propose that you put a 4 rack in there. That's going to give you space for 4 extra miners. Obviously, if somehow you come across a 6 rack on the marketplace, that is going to be well worth picking up because of all the miners that you've gained through this. Even free players, if you can pick up a extra that 6 rack off the marketplace, that is going to help you and your property. So that means you don't have to move property so early. You can keep at the lower level paying rent, but you've got more miners in there, which means that you can earn more money for less rent. So I would say to anybody, if you can pick up one of those 6 miners, those 6 space racks, do it, because that's going to be a really well worth getting that. Okay, so that is the spring winter seasonal event. Pretty much covered, obviously, everything there. Now you can see what you're going to get. I personally feel going through that is actually the first time I've gone through every single page. I'd flicked through various pages just to sort of get an idea what was on there, but that's the first time I've gone through every single page. And I personally think, even as a free player, there are some really great rewards. So if you're not already sort of pushing your account and doing things on the website to build up those activity points, which then translate into rewards in the winter event, start doing it now. We've got what have we got left? Just quickly go back. We have 107 days, 5 hours, 22 minutes and 37 seconds left of the event, which is plenty enough time to get through, if you put the work in, get through to level 100, or as far as as far as you want to go in the sense of free players, because I don't think free players go all the way to level 100. But that is still, I think, as a free player, that is still a great event to take part in. And obviously, if you want to upgrade to the premium pass, then obviously you're going to get even greater rewards. Okay, let me just quickly do these RP games, and then we're going to go and look at the withdrawal options. And I've got some great news for you guys over in the States when it comes to this program and withdrawals. Okay, so what we want to do is just simply drop into the wallet. Okay, so if we scroll down here, you're going to see Faucet Pay is the only one available. Now, for some people over in America, they can use Faucet Pay. And I also know a lot of people use Faucet Pay using a VPN. But the VPN option is a bit dodgy, because if you get found out, they will suspend your account and you're not going to have any access to those coins. I've always said to people, if you use a VPN using Faucet Pay, put the coins in and then just withdraw them straight back out to another wallet. Okay, as you can see up here, and this is the great news for American members, if obviously as American subscribers or viewers, if you want to get in on this program, C Wallet withdrawals are coming soon. Now, we on the channel, we've had other programs that use C Wallet, and everyone's been very happy with it. C Wallet is a great option for the American viewers and subscribers and players and everybody basically over in the States. It's a great wallet. I personally use it for other programs. It is secure, and it's actually basically withdrawing to C Wallet. Usually you can send like the minimums are a bit lower than Faucet Pay. So like if that means that you can withdraw a little bit earlier if you're using C Wallet. But like I say, that is great news for those people that are looking to come into the program but are American players and can't use Faucet Pay. Just actually quickly just go back. I just want to say that if you're a member now currently using Faucet Pay, if you go in here, you will be able to see all of the minimums and maximums that you can withdraw from your account, any fees that are incurred, and obviously you have to be at level 10 in this program to be able to withdraw to Faucet Pay. Okay, so like I say, I think that is great news that the developer is bringing C Wallet to the program. Okay, right, so I am going to leave that there. I hope you found that helpful and informative. If you can, smash that like button, please. It really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.